Flat webbing slings are essential tools in various industries, known for their strength, flexibility, and durability. These slings are made from high-quality synthetic fibers, such as polyester or nylon, which are woven into flat strips of webbing. Their design allows for even distribution of weight, reducing the risk of damage to the load and ensuring secure lifting. Flat webbing slings are highly favored in sectors like construction, manufacturing, and logistics due to their ability to handle heavy loads while maintaining a lightweight and easy-to-handle profile. The soft texture of the webbing also minimizes the risk of scratches or damage to delicate surfaces, making them ideal for lifting and securing a wide range of materials and equipment. One of the key advantages of flat webbing slings is their versatility. They can be used in various configurations, including vertical, choker, and basket hitches, providing flexibility for different lifting scenarios. Additionally, their synthetic construction offers excellent resistance to moisture, chemicals, and UV radiation, enhancing their longevity even in harsh environments. Safety is a paramount concern when it comes to lifting operations, and flat webbing slings are designed to meet rigorous industry standards, ensuring reliable performance. Whether used in industrial settings, outdoor adventures, or rescue operations, flat webbing slings offer a combination of strength, reliability, and ease of use, making them an indispensable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike.